Hello to everyone, and finally we have the two new features of Kartra that are Funnel Mapper and Funnel Simulator. In this video I want to show you these features, and then at the end of the video I will give you an amazing big surprise. So stay till the end of this video because you will discover something very special. So where you can find the new functions of Kartra, you can find in the campaigns section here. Then you go in funnel and you have funnels, that is the mapper, and simulation, that is the simulator. The mapper is available for every plans of Kartra. Simulator is available only from silver account. So I have a silver account and I have the simulator. If you have a starter account, you at the end of this video you will I'm sure that you will pass to silver account because simulator is something really amazing. So first of all, take a look at the mapper. So when you're here you can create your funnel, so we can give a name, test, and also a test description, and click create. Okay, now you have this section where you can use this menu to add all the assets, the actions, and the traffic. So in this example, I can start, for example, with a traffic coming from a Facebook ad. So I put here Facebook ad, I write a description, campaign, okay, save. Then I can add, for example, a squeeze page, okay, and I can choose one of my existing Kartra page, my existing squeeze page, or I can put a placeholder, a new one. In this example, I put a new one, so new squeeze page, okay, save. Then here I can connect the two elements. Then I can, for example, for every element you can edit, remove, you can add trigger, so it's all connected in Kartra. You can add the new tag or tag that you have already in Kartra, subscribe to list that you have created in Kartra or create a new one, unsubscribe, subscribe to sequences, unsubscribe from sequences. It's all connected in Kartra. Really amazing. Also here you can add a description in the line. You can also for example access to the setting of the line, change the color of the line, the thickness. You can make a lot of things. Then after the squeeze page I can add, for example, a form registration. So here I can connect a form that I've created in Kartra or put a placeholder, new one in this example, okay. Then I can connect, okay. Then I can, for example, add a thank you page here, put here, placeholder, a new thank you page, okay. I connect the two elements. Then, for example, I can add a sequence of email, okay. Also here I can add a placeholder or add an existing one. In this example I select an existing one that I've created in Kartra, this, okay. Then I connect, okay, and then I send the traffic. So I put an action where I put here the click link button inside the email, click button inside emails, save, I connect, and then I send my traffic to a sales page. Okay, here I can put a placeholder, new one. So placeholder means that you have to create then in Kartra this asset. And then I connect the two elements. For every asset you can, for example, access to trigger. So as I've shown to you before, you have the possibility to access the trigger and connect immediately in the mapper some features of Kartra, tags, list and sequences. Now I can, with this option, I can highlight the placeholder. So these are my placeholders, so the elements to create. In my example, I have used a sequence that I've already created in Kartra, so this is not highlighted as a placeholder. Then I can save and exit. Here I can find my test funnel map. From the three dots I can share. I can get a link to see online my map, and I can share with people this link and people can download as image this map, or I can also download as PDF this map. But the magic arrives with the simulator that is available from Silver Plans. So if I go in simulation, now I can add a simulation. I can give a name, test, select the funnel that I created, that is test, create, and here I can simulate all the information, the data about my funnel. So I can go here and say, okay, I want to send 1,000 people from Facebook ads and the cost is €1 for click. I know that if you are in United States or other Tier 1 countries, the cost of traffic is higher, but in my case, in my country, I can have traffic for €1 for click, medium. So I send 1,000 people to my squeeze page, and then I can check the stats in the form in Kartra and see that my form is converting at 30%. And so this means that 400 people are coming to thank you page. Then all the people are going to my sequence, and so all the 400 people. But I know that only in all the sequence, all the emails that I'm sending, I can get only 20% of click. So only 80 people are going to my sales page. Now I want to save here because I need to add in my map, I need to add a product. So I go here in test, edit, click edit. Just 1 second. And I can add here a purchase action. Okay. And I can get an existing Kartra product. For example, I can take this one, okay, and select this price point, or I can create a placeholder. So in this example, I'm taking this product. So I connect, I click save and exit. Okay, I go to simulator, go back here and select my funnel test, my simulator. Okay, and now in this simulator I can say that for example, for my product, I'm selling my product at 100 euro, and I have, for example, a 10% or a 20% conversion rate. So in this case, I'm getting 16 sales, and I have a 60 ROI. So I can find here all the analytics. In the first day, I'm getting 16 sales. I'm making 1,600 euros and spending 1,000 euro. And at the end of the month, I'm spending 30,000 euros and making 48,000 euros. So I have a 60 ROI. So this is a powerful instrument because I can change the data. If I have the cost of the traffic is €1.50, my ROI go to 7%. If I'm able with some A/B test to increase my conversion rate of my opt-in rate, I can get a better ROI. So you can play with all the numbers and see how your funnel is going, if you are making money or you are losing money. So this is a really game-changing new feature of Kartra. And I want to show you with you an amazing surprise, because I have on this page that I link here under the video, you can see all my templates that I've created that are in English language. You can see all the funnels and clicking and see the preview of every funnel. And in this page you can see that if you can get all the funnels with the best deal of a 30% discount. And in this case, if you click here, you can get all my templates for only 397 euros instead of 673 euros. But the big surprise for you is this: if you have already an affiliate where you want to stay with your affiliate, you can of course use this promotion to get this funnel. But if you don't have a Kartra account, or if you want to change your affiliate, you can be one of my customer, one of my affiliate, and get all my templates, all my funnels for free. So all for free, you don't have to pay anything. You can get all my template, all my funnel that you can find inside these pages, all for free. And you can get also the funnel that I'm creating in the future for free. So you don't have to pay anything, you just need to be my affiliate in Kartra. You can, for example, using the link here under the video, get a trial of Kartra. And then you can, when you pay the first month, so you have to pay the first month, not only the trial, you can send me an email. I put my email here under, and I share in your account, Kartra account, all these funnel. If you have other questions or you want other information, just use the comments area here below the video. So thanks for watching, and keep using Kartra because these features are really, really amazing. Bye!